Hi, I'm Catelynn. Today's video is going to be me unboxing my Amazon school supplies. So let's get rolling. Ooh, so this is the famous clipboard that literally every YouTuber who's a nurse has this clipboard for paperwork. So I'm super excited to use this because it has things all on it, like notes and stuff, kind of like what you need. And it can also fit in your scrubs. So that's really cool. I do not know what this is, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, my goggles. Okay, so I got goggles. If you're a nurse, you know what those are. They protect your eyes from things getting in them, basically. So I got clear ones, which I'll take out of the package and show you. And then I got leopard ones. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. These are the goggles, protective eyewear, and they go like this. And they protect your eye, and they still look cute, you know? They still look cute. They're not ugly. So they just look like blue light glasses, honestly. And these are the leopard ones, which they're super cute too. So, and then I got these neutral mild liners because the ones I have are too bright, and now I'm neutral everything. So I got these ones for my Bible and for nursing, for taking notes. But I did transfer to digital notes on my iPad, so I probably won't use these often, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love those colors. Oh, so for my iPad, I got a paper-like screen protector because I heard that it's supposed to help feel more like paper when you're writing notes on it. And I got transparent clear sticky notes for my Bible and notes. And then I got tabs that aren't as bright, neutral colors, because I love these tabs, sticky tabs. I use them for literally everything. I use them for my textbook. I'll be tabbing my textbook for homework and units by units. So these are all the different colors. I tab my books, I color code my books, and I color code my Bible by things. I'm just weird like that. Okay. So this is my clear pencil case. So I like it because one, it's brown, it's neutral, and because it's clear, so you can sort of see what's in it. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to dig around to find what you need. So it has a front pocket, and then it has an inside pocket, and you can find what you need easily. And it's not that big of a case because I don't need that big of a case. Okay, so now I have a big box. I'm trying to I thought I was gonna have a bigger reaction to stuff, but I guess not. Oh my gosh, guys. This is my stethoscope case. I didn't think it was gonna be this huge. Oh, everything is gonna be linked on my Amazon. So, just so you know that. And in the description. This is my stethoscope case. I can't. This is huge. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Ah! So you can fit other things in here. This is huge. This is literally huge. Y'all, this is my stethoscope. My first ever stethoscope. I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Like, I don't even want to touch it. Yo, I can't. It's so cute. Do you see that? Like, look at it. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Y'all. You're actually not supposed to put around your neck because patients could like choke you. So, Also, this one is not an expensive one. It's a cheap one to start out with because you don't want to get an expensive one when you're just starting out. Wait, can I listen to my own heart? So, now it's in the case. All set to go. Okay, next thing is a anatomy coloring book. This is great because I love coloring. Like, it helps me and it's so satisfying. And at the same time, I can study without even realizing I'm studying. So I'm taking this most likely to clinicals and stuff with me because then if I have time to do something, I'm gonna freaking color, okay? So this is what that's for. And then I got a beautiful brown case. It looks gold, but you know, that's fine too. So this is like the iPad case. My iPad case is like a 12.9 inch. Yeah, it's freaking huge. It's literally so huge. So, and I love this one because you can fit your pencil like right there. So like while I'm taking notes, it can be like this and I can just grab it and take notes. You know what I'm saying? Guys, so this is my clinical bag. Okay, I'm so excited for this. You literally have no idea. I'm gonna be like the nurse that brings like everything for everyone for class. Like I'm gonna come prepared, full out prepared. Holy smokes. Okay, so you can like fit stuff on the outside and it's huge. Like it's huge. So you can fit stuff like even in the inside. So I got this like really tiny makeup bag to go in my clinical bag because I just thought it would be like super nice and stuff. So it's like a little nice little pouch. It's so cute and it's neutral, so you can probably tell by this video that like everything's neutral, as you can see in my lovely room. Pink and neutral. That's the way to go. Then, y'all, I got a matching lunch bag to match my clinical bag because I'm extra, you know? So it's like this. Has a front pocket right here. And then when you open it up, it just looks like a regular lunchbox. Lastly is anatomy flashcards. What they look like on the inside. Like that, so you can put the flashcards on the ring, and if you wanted to, like, you can put them on your backpack, or you could put them like just inside your backpack instead of carrying like this whole big thing, you know what I'm saying? It's like that side, this is the front, and then the back kind of just shows you a little bit about it. I love them already, so I'm excited to study these. Well, I hope you enjoyed me just unboxing all of my nursing school supplies. Everything is linked in the description. My Amazon is also linked. Thank you so much for watching and staying for the video, even though I'm super cringe. And I love you guys so much, and Jesus loves you more.